Good afternoon, friends. Today we will see a simple puzzle. This puzzle is about finding the odd one out of the similar things. So let's see the puzzle. There are 9 bags of rice is there. Those 9 bags are looks like the same, but one out of that has slightly heavier than the other 8. So by simply looking, you cannot say which bag is heavier. So you have to use the simple balance to find out odd one out of that. So using simple balance, minimum number of weighings required to identify the heavier bag. So pause this video and try to solve this puzzle on your own, because before listening to the solution, you have to try at least once to understand the things. So most of the people think like this. So 9 bags are there. I will put 4 bags in one pan and 4 bags in another pan, and which one will has the more weight, it will sink, means it will go down. So I will find the odd one out of the 8. One uh, one must be present in this part of the pan or this part of the pan, because odd one must be present in the 8. So suppose odd one present in this pan, you have to weigh these 4 things in another time to find the odd one out of the 4. So this is the second balance. Second time we are weighing. Second time we are using the simple balance. So suppose this time in this two, odd one is there. So we use another balance to find the odd one. So total 3 weighings are required. Suppose in this 8 also the odd one is not there. So the remaining one is the odd one. Here is two cases are there. If we are weighing 4 and 4, if these two are equal, the balance will show these two are equal. Then ninth one will be the odd one. In one chance itself, you can able to say the odd one out of that. If suppose odd one present among these 8, you have to perform 3 weighings to find the odd one out of that. So generally people thinking like this, but m- more simpler way or more minimum ways of finding the odd one out of the given things is there. First we will see 3 things are there. Suppose 3 bags of rice are there. One odd one is there, one bag which has more weight. So to find the odd one out of the 3 bags, we use one weighing only. In one weighing we can able to say the odd one out of that. It is simple. You can put one bag on one pan, one bag on other pan. You can weigh. If any pan shows the down, then heavier one will be that. If two pans are equal or on the same level, then you can say that third one is odd one. So using one weighing, you can find the odd one out of the 3. Suppose 9 are there. This time you divide the 9 into 3 groups. These 3 in one group, these 3 in one group, these 3 in one group. You will weigh these 3. 3 on one pan, 3 on one pan. If it is present on this, in this 3, by one weighing you can find the odd one out of that. If this is present in the if odd one is present in the this pan, you can able to say odd one out of that in one weighing. If these two pans are equal, then odd one will be present in remaining three. So remaining three, we have to find the odd one. So in one weighing itself, you can able to say the odd one out of that remaining three. So only two weighings are required for the nine weights. If you can see, you can able to observe a pattern here. Three bags are there. We can use one weighing to say odd one out of that. Nine bags are there. We can use two weighings to say odd one out of that. 27 bags are there. You can use three weighings to say odd one out of that. Suppose 81 bags are there. You can say four weighings to find the odd one out of 81. Suppose 3n bags are there. We can use n weighings to find the odd one out of that. So by simple observations, you can form a pattern and you can say the answers very easily. Thank you. Thank you for listening me. Have a good day.